If you are still copy and pasting code from ChatGPT to VS Code editor and then stop, you are doing it wrong. In 2025, you don't need to act as a coder, you need to act as a manager. Google has just dropped a nuclear bomb on the dev community. They have launched a new IDE called the Google Anti-Gravity. It is not just another AI editor like Cursor, Lovable, Bolt, etc. It is a full agentic orchestra. Today I am gonna show you a workflow that turns you into a one-person SaaS company. And today in this video we are going to build a crypto and stock SaaS with real-time data, and I am not going to write a single line of code. Then you will be thinking, what will you do? How can you make the app? I will just tell my AI employees to do all of it. First, download the anti-gravity software from the Google's original website. It is free right now. When you open it, it may look like a VS Code editor, but stop looking at that. We aren't typing there. The main thing is on the left side. That is our AI agent that will handle all the objections for us. Now just press Ctrl plus E and you will be directed to another window, which is our main secret sauce, the agent manager. Here you can make different agents or also terms and AI employees and give them different tasks. Like one agent will handle customer, one agent will handle APIs, one agent will handle front end, and you can make several of these kind of AI employees for free. And the best part is they will all be running at the exact same time, so there is no tiredness in them, there is no nothing, there is no excuse for them. They have to work 24/7 for you. Here is the mistake that everyone makes. They try to describe their app to Gemini 3, but the model's expertise relies in the image. It can understand more if you provided the image. It needs to see what you want. So here is what we will do to ignore that. So we will come on to a website known as v0.app and just search for a modern stock dashboard with a dark mode. Okay, well, no template found, so let's do a little filtering and let's see if I can find a good template for our SaaS. So I find this one interesting and it just fits my mind how I am seeing the app to be built. So don't copy the code, just take a screenshot. Now go back to the anti-gravity and then just create a new conversation in your folder that you have opened. And now I'm just gonna paste the screenshot over here, and now we prompt. So I wanna write build a NextJS app using this screenshot as the design source, and do not write the code yet, just plan. So let's hit enter, and we are using Gemini 3 Pro higher version and planning. Actually I prefer planning because the fast model is just for a little bit of work like building a lead generation agent and etc. So now let's see what it generates for us. It is currently thinking. While agent 1 is working on the UI, we aren't gonna wait. So this is where the agentic goes. I am just gonna click this plus icon, and now I am gonna tell my second employee to lead the backend and to connect the free finance API for the real-time stock prices of Apple, Tesla and all the stocks. We aren't gonna wait for the second agent to spin up. So for that I am just gonna press this plus icon again, and then we will spin up our third employee. So I'm just gonna write it. So I'm just gonna prompt it, you are the QA of our SaaS, and write a test script to make sure API never crash. And that's how a real AI architect operates in 2025. So all our three AI systems are working correctly, and if any errors come, they will overcome the error, they will make the error correctly, and then they will do all the backend stuff and build our app. So while my agent was running and building and polishing my SaaS, I came to the playground and just tell it to build a 3D car game, and now it's ready. And while my AI agent is building my SaaS, I am playing this game. Not gonna lie, it's pretty good. Like, it came up, and there is obstacles also. Yeah, I'm gonna play this till my game is ready. Not my game. Actually, it is so addictive. Like, oh no, I lose. Let's try again. And yeah, it is very pretty good. We can tell it to add real cars and etc. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, approved. So see, our website has been built. It is also like uploaded to the server, and here it is written localhost 3000. Okay, and there are feature, pricing section, unified app, and every feature you really need for us. As and now you guys will think that what is the difference between this and Lovable. So the difference is, this is 100% free, you have the code, and if I write one prompt like make this, and now just upload it to Vercel, give me the marketing tactic, and there are several agents will be working 24/7 even if my computer is off, because this is running in the Google server. And this is the best part of Google Anti-Gravity. Google Anti-Gravity isn't just a tool, it is a glimpse into the future of coding, where the coding is optional but the logic is mandatory. You don't need to learn coding, tags, or even syntax. You need to learn how agents work, how to control them, and how to sell them. Sales is the one important framework of life that works in every aspect of life. I have uploaded all the SOPs and prompts into Google Drive, and the link will be in the description, so don't miss to check that out. And if you want to see me to turn this tool, this anti-gravity software, into a real money making machine, just watch this video.